I think you all aware about that. Youth Congress is organizing a 2-month-long countrywide yatra. It's a start from the 6th of December on the birth anniversary of death anniversary of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. This is called Mahaparinirvan Divas, and from Kanyakumari to be moved towards Kerala, other part through we will go to the north part of this country, northeast, then we'll come to middle, and then we'll move towards Jammu and Kashmir, and the end of the yatra is in Delhi, Rajghat, on 30th January. That is the martyr day of Mahatma Gandhi, when the Mahatma Gandhi was killed by Godse on the 30th January. So our target is to unite the nation, unite this country on all front, on the basis of our ideological, like equality, religious equality, economic equality, and what our constitution say. We will go through the constitution, because Baba Saheb Ambedkar has given a constitution of India to everyone. These days, the country's situation is very bad. Everyone is aware about the present situation. This government has promised, the BJP government has promised to give employment, reduce price rise. They will control the crime against women. They will think about the farmers. But everything is going opposition. The unemployment problem is very high. Price rise is high. Crime against women is every day raging, and it's done by the BJP leaders many places. Farmer suicide rate is also so high, and this is the worst situation of farmer. So we will also give the people of this country to know what is the present situation and what BJP is doing. They are only playing on the base of religious and caste-based politics. That is not in our blood. We are following the Gandhi and Nehru's philosophy, equality, justice, socialism in our ideology. So the yatra will unite the country and go to think about what constitution said, not what the particular party and particular organization is saying.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் பார்க்க எங்களது யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யவும்.